Hi friends, happy Thanksgiving. I miss you guys so much that I thought that I would share one of my favorite books with you guys from home. So this is Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. I got this book from my niece, so it has a little sticker on the inside with her name on it. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tip-toe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights weed twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the din. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear shoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair," murmurs and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed that story as much as I did. It's one of my favorites, and I have a few other bear stories that I'd love to share with you guys at school or maybe in another video. But I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving break, and I can't wait to see you guys on Monday. I love you. Bye.